Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Honor device to Samsung Galaxy M15. Begin by launching Play Store on both and getting this app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then to use it, select the same options in both apps. Firstly, I agree and I acknowledge. Then confirm. Continue. And allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now or close it right away by hitting OK. Then tap on Close in white pop-up at the top or click on your device's screens. When you're ready, hit Send at the bottom left corner of Honor and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Finally, thanks to all of those categories at the top, select all of your files to send. I will go with only a couple, just for example. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom and choose Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up. Now it's time to decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section, type in all of those numbers and hit Receive. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close and add. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!